All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of dunks, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Emotionally Scarred by Lil Baby. This has to be one of my favorite Lil Baby songs. You guys should definitely go listen to it on his most recent album, which obviously was amazing. Just go listen to the song, you won't regret it. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. All right, so we are gonna be taking a look at the Iowa Dunks today. Here, I actually got a size 9.5, and I had to get these off GOAT because I did take an L on release date, but resale wasn't too bad. So yeah, let's take these out. I believe resale is around 200. I don't know what just happened with the box there, but let's just ignore that. I believe resale is around $200 brand new. Obviously uses a little bit less, and retail is $120, I believe. So obviously it's not too bad. I actually picked these up for $180 shipped. So prices have gone up a little bit, not too much obviously, but I think these are 100% worth it. I really like these dunks. Here, let me spin them around for you guys. Now, something I did notice when I did get these dunks in hand, the quality is a lot better on these than a lot of other dunks, man. Like here, let me see if I could show you. It's really nice and soft. It's not great, obviously, but compared to other dunks that did come out this year, it is a lot better than those. And something bad about this shoe is actually the quality control. Here you could actually see a little bit of it right there. Quality control on this shoe was not great, actually. A lot of people's pairs are really bad. I got lucky that I don't think my pair has anything like significantly like bad on it, but I know Roscoe's pair had like a little dent right there in the middle of the shoe, which sucks, man. And like a bunch of people's like leather was like actually like chipping a little bit on it. And I did see one person that was missing like a little shoelace hole right here on Twitter. I can't find the picture, but that did happen, man, and that fucking sucks. I'm lucky enough though, my pair turned out fine. And here, let me actually show it off by itself. So my pair only has like a couple loose threads, which is fine. It's nothing too crazy. And this shoe actually does come with extra shoelaces. Comes with yellow ones, obviously. And it also comes with black ones and white ones. Me personally, I'm gonna leave the yellow laces in. And something else about this shoe is that this color isn't supposed to be the exact same color as the shoelaces. On like StockX and other like shoe websites, it does look like the same color, but they are slightly off. Just so you guys know, I actually didn't know that until the shoes come in and I watched a couple of videos. Yeah, it's not supposed to be exactly the same color. The bottom of the shoe is obviously yellow, same yellow as up top. And this shoe's awesome, man. Hasn't came out in a while. I believe last time it came out was 2012 or 2000. I think it was 2012. So it's been 8 years since the shoe came out, man. So it's a lot. I obviously always go half size up in dunks just because the padding here. And also I believe the tongue is a little bit more thick than regular shoes. So that's the reason why I go up half a size. If you have narrow feet, you should be fine going true to size. But if your feet are a little bit wide, just go up half the size. It will not hurt at all. That's the toe box. Yeah, like quality is actually, it's not bad. I actually really like it. Yeah, man, these shoes are awesome. Let me spin them around for you guys one more time. Show you guys the laces. And yeah, let me show you guys how these shoes look on feet. But before that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's take a look at these on feet.